Welcome back to our channel, where we explore everything related to gardening and sustainable living. Today, we will discuss the difference between soil and compost. Soil is the top layer of the Earth's surface, composed of minerals, organic matter, air, and water. Compost, on the other hand, is a carefully crafted mixture of decomposed organic materials, such as leaves, kitchen scraps, and yard waste. Soil is the natural medium where plants grow, providing them with essential nutrients, structure, and water retention. Compost, however, is a nutrient-rich fertilizer that improves the soil's fertility, texture, and moisture-holding capacity. Soil is found in different types, such as sandy, clayey, loamy, or silty, each with its own characteristics. Compost, on the contrary, is homogeneous and uniform in texture, as it results from the decomposition process. Soil may contain living organisms like earthworms, insects, fungi, and bacteria, which contribute to its ecosystem. Compost, on the other hand, is teeming with beneficial microorganisms that break down organic matter and aid plant growth. Soil takes thousands of years to form naturally, as a result of weathering rocks and organic matter accumulation. Compost, however, can be created in just a few months by managing and speeding up the decomposition process. Soil acts as a support system for plants, anchoring their roots and helping them stand upright. Compost enriches the soil, enhancing its ability to retain moisture, provide necessary nutrients, and promote healthy plant growth. Soil is typically found in gardens, fields, woodlands, and any natural environment where plants grow. Compost, on the other hand, is primarily used as a soil amendment in gardens, flower beds, and potted plants. Soil is a finite resource that needs to be carefully managed and protected for sustainable agricultural practices. Compost, on the other hand, can be produced from organic waste, reducing landfill contributions and promoting recycling. Soil is the foundation of our food system, determining the quality and productivity of crops. Compost serves as a natural fertilizer, reducing the need for synthetic chemicals and improving soil health in agriculture. In conclusion, soil is the natural medium where plants grow, while compost is a valuable soil amendment that enhances fertility and plant growth. Understanding their differences helps us make informed decisions for our gardening needs.